Welcome to Learn WordPress. I'm going to give you a quick introduction to what WordPress is and how it is best used. Well, what is WordPress? WordPress is basically a system that allows you to create a platform. Everything you need all under one roof to build out a website and manage that content in order to be able to reach your target audience. More specifically, WordPress is an open source CMS. Open source in that it's open and free to the public to use. Anybody can use this. Just like Android, it's open and supported by many developers across the globe. And it's a CMS. CMS stands for Content Management System. Now let's look at a little bit more about that. A CMS. The definition of a CMS is an application, more likely web-based, that provides capabilities for multiple users with different permission levels to manage all or a section of content, data, or information of a website, project, or intranet application. Basically, it gives you all the things you need to set different permission levels, to manage your content, the different things on your website. Let's say you have a blog and you write the blog post, but you have someone who moderates the comments for you, or you're a business and you have marketing people that are over one section of the website and they manage the marketing section, whereas engineers or technical people are over a different part of the website. Managing content refers to creating, editing, archiving, publishing, collaborating on, reporting, distributing content and data and information, and so much more. I mean, there's so much that WordPress can do. It basically allows you to create all the content that you could ever want. Create downloads, create a blog post, create pages, be able to get your message out there to the world in an easy one package kind of deal. So what can WordPress do? Well, you can use WordPress to start a blog, whether you want to be a professional blogger or just someone trying to get your message out there. Or if you want, you can also build a professional website. WordPress started as a blogging system, a platform, but it morphed into a much bigger, more robust platform with WordPress.org that allows people to build professional websites, whether this is for your organization, your business, nonprofits, churches, personals, individual people, and you can even build your online resume. And this is really important in the modern world that we live in, is creating an online repository of why you're awesome and why people would need to hire you or solicit your services. And so that's a really important thing, kind of a new way for people to reach out there, and WordPress is a great platform for doing that. But beyond that, you can also develop an online community, whether this is a membership-based site that's paid or free, or you just want to create an online community, a platform for people to communicate and talk about hobbies or interests or topics that are interesting to them. And so it's really a powerful tool for that as well. And beyond that, you can even set up an online store. And this is really becoming a popular thing. This is e-commerce. And WordPress is a great platform. And there's a lot of different tools and things that you can use to really leverage the power of WordPress to do this. And not only do you have to sell physical, tangible products, but we're seeing more and more people sell digital products, whether it be something you created or education materials or photography or lots of different ways to sell things online. And WordPress gives you the ability to do that. So let's recap. WordPress allows you to create a platform. It's a place for you to easily manage your content and information you want to get out to the world and reach your audience. WordPress is easy to use. Manage and manipulate your content. It's really easy to get all the things that you need and work on it without having a programming background, without having to learn a lot of code and different things. It's really, really simple, and it's something that almost anybody can do, especially if you go through a course like this. And WordPress is supported by a huge community of developers. They are developing different plugins and functions and features and functionality and all these different things that will allow you to extend your website far beyond what just the core functionality of WordPress itself is. And so you can do much, much more than you ever could before with a website, and it's easier than ever to do it. So I hope this gives you kind of an idea of what WordPress is and what it can do for you and how it can be beneficial for you to learn how to develop websites on WordPress.